I like Burger King's new special. It's called Whopper Your Way, You Rule. So you get a small thing of nuggets, a small fry, and a Whopper Junior, or a cheeseburger, or a chicken sandwich. I forget what all your options are. Bacon cheeseburger, I think, is the other one. And a drink, medium sized. I don't usually do pop, but um, it came with the meal, so I just said, I just went ahead and went with it. Pretty good deal for $5. So this is the brand that I bought for my cat. And it seems to be working. It is literally more than twice what I used to pay. So I'm not sure why it has to cost so much more. But if someone knows, I would love to hear about it. There's Oakley up in the barn loft, up there in the hay. These are the woods back behind the barn. Not sure if you can hear that, but it sounds like there's something walking over there. My guess is it's deer. Oakley, I think, is going to be fine for those of you that are wondering. The food seems to be helping. I may have to go with the full prescription strength UT cat food. It's even more expensive than what I'm paying now, but he's definitely worth it. It seems like that's pretty much all I've got to do is just make sure that he only has UT food. So I think my little buddy's going to be fine. I'm going to walk on up here and see if I can see what I'm hearing. I think what I'm hearing are squirrels. Woodpecker, I hear a woodpecker. I'm going to go up just a little bit further. Look at the size of that sycamore tree. This is a field off to the and then here's the woods right behind the barn. We got around 40 acres here, I think. I It goes back in there. The woods go quite a ways back in there, beyond this field. There actually used to be a trail back there where you could walk a few miles. I'm sure it is long gone. What a beautiful day. It's left over on the lake. I don't know if you can see it, it's just barely visible. Try zooming in a little bit.